Amazon mystery boxes legit. Amazon mystery boxes legit. Let's talk about it in this video. So as you can see on my screen here, I have one mystery box there. So Amazon mystery boxes from the onset are legit. They're real. What are mystery boxes? Mystery boxes are surprise packages that you can buy off the Amazon website. You basically don't know what's inside the package. For some people, you actually get good stuff for your money. For some people, they actually get total junk. But that's where the fun is. It's a surprise. You don't know what's inside of the box until it arrives at your house. So are they legit? Yes, they are legit, they are real, but legit or real doesn't always mean good. So definitely there's a 50-50 chance that you are going to get something valuable, or you might actually get something that is just totally useless. So the idea is, if you are somebody who is watching every dollar that they spend, rather don't buy the mystery boxes in case you get disappointed. But if you're somebody who just enjoys the fun of being surprised, then you can actually get some of these mystery boxes for the fun of risking your money and trying to see what you get. So in short, Amazon mystery boxes are indeed legit.